Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be doing my squishy collection, and this is my first video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. So let's get started. So I keep my squishies. I don't have a lot right now, but I'm gonna get more because I just ordered stuff. So I'm gonna be doing a unboxing video. I just keep it in this, and I colored it, and I have these, but you'll find out. So first, I have this big giant mouth that I love. I love how it rises, and it just has. I dropped it. Okay, it just has like a little defects on its teeth. Not little, but like they have a lot of defects. But still, it's really good. It's more defects. And it smells really good. And then next I have this big giant cake that is so squishy, and it's so soft, and it smells so good, and it just has a couple defects, like right there and right there. Oh, and right there, but it's okay, but it smells really good. And then I have this little cute one. This is like my favorite one, and I got it for Christmas. It's like so slow rising. So good too. And then I have this bread. It smells good, like really good. I don't think this one has any defects. It rises a little fast. And I have this, which I didn't color yet. Well, I kind of did. But it's really slow rising. It smells amazing. And then I have another one that I did color. Oh, and then I have a mushy that has like a cute little hot dog. It smells really good, and it's so slow rising. I have these. Well, I have this. And it's a cat, and its ear kind of broke off, and it's there. And then next is I have like small squishies. First, I have this one. It's a little nacho. It smells amazing. And then next I have, these all smell really good. This one, it's so cute. Look at its little face. And then the popcorn. Pretzel. Sorry if you hear the air blowing, guys. And then I have this little cute popsicle. And it's not like the squishiest, like it's kind of hard, but like it's for, I guess, you know, when you're mad or something. here's this little hot dog. It's so cute. And that's it. Now I have my paper squishies. I have this one I made for Christmas. It's kind of a little rough because it starts squeezing and like jumbling up. But it's like really, really soft now, like that. And then I got this. It's supposed to be ladybug, but it didn't turn out too good. And then I have this little chocolate. And that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and comment down below which video I should do next.